Hi, folks. Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com, the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, we're coming here with another review, and this is kind of an interesting review. And I know we review a lot of tech stuff on the Chris Voss Show and a lot of cool, innovative products. But if you're watching this video years from now, it is 2020, and we are in the midst of the coronavirus pandemic. I'm sure you'll hopefully hear from it years from now. If you're not hearing about it years from now, we didn't make it, so there you go. But we are in the throes of it, and right now, toilet paper is at a premium. In fact, there's probably people that trade you most of the tech stuff we review right now for rolls of toilet paper. Everybody hoarded and bought out all the toilet paper in the last few months, and toilet paper became a premium. And so we kind of looked around and thought, oh, what other services are out there? We discovered through some Instagram ads this company called realpaper.com. That's real as in REEL, paper.com. And basically they offered like a subscription service or a shipping service for bamboo toilet paper. And there's a lot of reasons they were doing this beforehand, and they probably came along at the right moment. So there's some different aspects of why they're doing it and how they're doing it. Let's get into what this is about, and we'll talk about our review of their toilet paper. 27,000 trees are cut down every day to make toilet paper, and they can't be recycled. Leaving the trees alone is what basically real paper is out to do. Bamboo can grow 3 feet in just 24 hours. It's the fastest growing plant on the planet. It can be harvested once a year and doesn't need to be replanted. So there you go. It just keeps growing, and away it goes. And you can keep using it for stuff. It uses 30% less water than hardwood trees, and it gives out 35% more oxygen than trees. Meaning an acre of bamboo can fix approximately 25 metric tons of atmospheric CO2 per year. That's pretty cool. And it's soft and strong. Bamboo filters make much softer paper product than many made from recycled paper and wood fiber. So these guys make a product that is comfortable and sustainable. And they send you a box of 24 rolls. We got one. And it's got 3-ply for extra softness. It's biodegradable, super soft and strong, 300 sheets per roll. And what's even better, it doesn't have any dyes or inks in it. A lot of these toilet papers have dyes, inks, perfumes, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So on top of that, in trying to make the world a better place, they have a mission to change lives and eliminate the threat of illness posed by lack of toilets to countries that are struggling. So they support a partner called Soil. And since 2006, Soil has been helping transform waste in Haiti. They provide toilets, remove waste from communities, and prevent the spread of waterborne disease. They even have Real X Soil, which basically dignified, sustainable, safely managed sanitation, which optimizes resource recovery and is accessible to all. So when you're buying one of these toilet papers, you're helping the world and you're helping the environment. So that's not too bad, is it? So we got a chance to try it out, tested it with a few different people, gave it the good old, we tested it. Let's put it that way. And I can tell you, the product is pretty unique. It doesn't have any of the smelly dyes or different smells to it. It is very strong. I gotta tell you, it's very strong. It's pretty gripping. I even used it to wipe down my sink, the toilet paper, because it's got a good sort of firm ridges to the paper itself, so it was great for cleaning with it as well. It was almost more durable than some of the paper towels I've seen when it comes to it. So definitely durable. Comes in these beautiful, nice rolls that are wonderfully put together with the logo on them. Tells you you're helping the world. And I will say this, it's not as soft as some of the softest toilet paper you can buy, but it's soft enough. You're going to live, you're going to be fine, you're going to save the environment, you're going to make a difference, and you're going to have it shipped to your door, which is really nice, because then you don't have to go, buy all that crap at the store, fight people for toilet paper, which is what's going on right now, and away you go. Well, I didn't find it as soft as some of the, super soft tissues you can do. I mean, just think how many trees you're saving, and how much sustainable stuff you're doing, oxygen, water, all that sort of good important stuff to the world. So if you like doing stuff like that, you want some really good toilet paper, you want to save yourself a trip to the store, all that good stuff, I highly recommend them. Realpaper.com. That's realpaper.com. And you can save yourself from having to go out in the coronavirus world that's right now, where all you do is when you go shopping, you pick up the coronavirus disease. Hopefully, years from now, when you listen to this, you'll have read about it and you'll understand how crazy our world was during this time. But that's it. I definitely like the product. Did a great job, and I highly recommend it. Go to realpaper.com and tell them Chris Voss sent you.